if you sell printables, you need to jump in right now in this trend. As you can see, this is now being so high demand. A lot of people are buying and is in a lot of baskets at the moment and being a bestseller. So you need to jump in right away. And I'm going to show you exactly how you could do that. Let's start with a bit of research. So I use Inside Factory for my research, and I just typed baby shower websites. And as you could see, there are so many here, really good ideas. Like for example, this little cutie baby shower invite website. It has 21 in competition and 5 listings in the first page at sales this week. So if you are starting now on Etsy, this is exactly the ones you need to jump in, because you are just a new shop and you need to find ideas and sub niches that are not saturated yet. So this is a really good one to jump in straight away. You can see here much more ideas, and if you click, you can also see which one is on the basket. So for example, this one is in 19 baskets at the moment. So what is them? So basically this is just a website created in Canva to use as an invite for baby shower instead of using the traditional paper ones. And now I will show exactly all you can do. Is so easy and straightforward. So the first thing we need to do is create the actual clip art for our invite. Let's go over to the prompt library that I created. So let's just log in. And we're gonna use one that I created. Yeah, we will use this one. So to create the invite, I'm gonna use Flow, that is Google Flow, and we're gonna use Nano Banana 2. I already created in here the invites and as well a stamp. And now we're gonna create some animals. So let's create 2 of each. So we're gonna create the giraffe, lion. So I'm gonna create a few. So I just created a variety of different animals as well as some elements that we can play with to create our website. So now we are going to download all of this image. So we just create download project. And next step is to upscale, and I use Topaz to do that step. So I just search for Topaz gigapixel, and all you need to do is just to put all of the image inside and upscale at least ×2. Okay, so now we are ready to start doing our website Evite for baby shower. So I just placed all the clip art that we did over here, and this is my template that I created to do our website, and I'm gonna go through now with you. So the first thing we're gonna do is the first page that have the envelope that is going here. So just click on the envelope, just remove background, and place inside. So now the secret is everything need to be inside of this square, okay? Even if you have like something like that, you need to make sure you cut it so it is inside of this square. If not, it's not gonna work. So let's place invite here, then the little stamp here, remove background, and we can place some animals. So for example, if I put this one here, I need to cut like that, okay? And then let's put, can be this one. Let's just flip. Okay, so now we are ready to put some animation. So you just click, for example, in the text, click animate, and then you're going to start putting some animations. So this one for some reason already have. So this one has, and then here as well we can put animation. Okay, so next we're going to just check how this looks like. So if you click in preview, so this is how it looks like in mobile, and when we click here it goes to the invite. So all good so far. So now we're going to need to start doing our invite. So click in here, and this is the template for the baby shower Evite website. So we have the invite, the diaper raffle, gift register, books for baby, and the RSVP. So let's go first to this one. And now it's just basically place the clip art in here. You can like change the background, but again, make sure like if you want to put like any background, for example, shapes, is there one? So imagine I want to put this one. I need to make sure this one is like this. So in that case, when you preview, it will be like that. Always make sure everything is inside of this, and when you finish, you can just get rid of this. It doesn't need to be here. So let's start to put everything inside. So let's put this one. Okay, so now that I put all the clip art, now it's time to put all the animation. So just go one by one, and we're just going to basically put all the animation that we want. Okay, so I just put all the animations in all of them. Now we can remove these rectangles as they are not necessary. It's just to guide us doing all the invitation. Okay, so now let's see the final result. Yeah, it's lovely. And then what you're gonna give is just like a template. So you're gonna just share, put see all, and put template link. And this is the link you're gonna give to your clients. And then you're gonna explain that they can change all the buttons. So you can change all of these. They can change like in here to put the actual address direct to the Google Maps. The gift list, so just click here, 3 dots, and put link, and you can put like a website. And the same thing with here. They can put like a RSPV list if they have. So now if you want to share your link just as a demo, you just click in website, and here it is. So just click, and now this is gonna open the demo for them. So they just click here, and then everything now appears here. So they can see here or on the website. Oh, this I think was just some error on my side. Just a little tip for your thumbnail mockups. You can use a little trick that I'm going to show you that allow you to do mockups so quick. So what you actually can do, because you cannot save just this image, just take a print screen of this area. So I use Command-Shift-4 on my Mac, and I'm able just to draw here the section that I want to do a print screen. And then I'm going to introduce you now to a tool that I love. So this is Mockably. Mockably is an AI tool that allows you to do mockups in 30 to 40 seconds. It's amazing. So inside, you can just select here. There are several tools, so we're going to use the AI catalog mockups. So click in printables, and we're going to select the Evite. Let's do iPhone 16, and we're going to select the print shot that we did. And then theme is baby shower. Let's do indoor, and just generate. We can actually generate some ideas, like if someone is holding. So let's do another one. So Evite, let's put this one. So baby shower, front view, let's get some ideas. Okay, so let's see, can be this one. Yeah, let's just do idea 2. And let's see how they come up. Here is the result. So this is the first one, it's so cute. And here is the other one. We can actually take a print screen of half. So if we go back to Canva, let's take, for example, like that. So they can see this is, let me just take this. So they can see that this is Evite. So let's reuse these options, and we just change now our image. So is this one, and just send to generate. So here is the result. So it takes a bit half of the top and half of the bottom. So you can use that to show that it is Evite. If you want to have a go, I'm going to put the link below, and you can have 50 credits to try when you verify your phone. If you want to learn more with me, how to do clip art in any little tricks, you can join my community, the AI Creator Lab, where I go in detail how you can create clip art and actually how to clean, package and sell. And I also have a Create With Me section where I go every week and launch a little tool or a little tips how to do several clip art. So for example, this one, I did a little video how I do this little font that is really nice for your printables as well. So don't forget and join the community. And if you want access to the template that I created to do the website, the link is just below. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe.